In question 5, we have two smooth spheres of masses 2 and 3, and they have speeds 5 and 4 root 2, and they're moving towards each other here as shown, making angles inverse tan of 3 over 4. That's the smaller one here, and inverse tan on 45 degrees, we're told, for the other one. So let's just get our sine and cos here so we can get our velocities. We have the inverse tan is 3 over 4 opposite over adjacent, so the cos of A is equal to 4 over 5, and the sine of A is 3 over 5, so our velocity here, initial velocity of this is the speed 5u cos theta 5 by 4 over 5 in the I direction, and you see here going up positive positive plus 5 by 3 over 5 in the j direction. So we'll call this the velocity of p, we'll call them p and q, is equal to 4i plus 3j. Velocity of q is going to be equal to, we have the speed is 4 root 2, and the cos of 45 is 1 over root 2 in the I direction, and this is going in the negative positive direction over here. We have a negative, positive, and again we're going to have 4 root 2 by 1 over root 2 in the j direction, the sine and cos of 45 being 1 over root 2. So we're going to get minus 4i plus 4j. So now we can have our table. We have masses of 2 and 3, and we have 4i plus 3j for q, and for p we have minus 4i plus 4j, and then afterwards we're going to have ai plus 3j and bi plus 4j. So if we apply our two formulas, we should be able to solve for their velocities after impact we have before. Let's do that. So we'll have 2 times 4 plus 3 times minus 4 is equal to 2a plus 3b. So 2a plus 3b is equal to 8 minus 12 minus 4, and then we're going to have a minus b over 4 minus 4 over 8, you can just call it, is equal to minus e, and we're told e here is 7 over 8, so minus 7 over 8. So we're going to get, well, we can multiply both sides by 8 to get a minus b equals minus 7. So multiplying this one by 3, we get 3a minus 3b equals minus 21. And solving this, we're going to get 5a is equal to minus 25. So a is equal to minus 1. And if a is equal to minus 1, we can say that 2 times minus 1 plus 3b is equal to minus 4. So we're going to get 3b is equal to minus 4 plus 2, which is minus 2. So b is equal to minus 2 over 3. Just see my error here. A is equal to minus 5, as you've all seen and commented on. A is equal to minus 5, 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. So we're bringing over minus 10 to get plus 10. So 3b is going to equal to plus 6, not minus 2. So b is equal to plus 2, not minus 2/3. Just be careful. Making silly errors. They can happen, even to the worst of us. Now part 3, the loss in kinetic energy. Do it over here. Half mu squared. magnitudes here. We're going to have square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, 5, square root of 4 squared plus 4 squared, root 32. AI plus 3j is going to become, let's put them in again, 5 root 32, and AI plus bj is 5 and a 3, square root of 25 plus 9, root 34, and then bi plus 4j is a 2 and a 4, square root of 16 and 4, square root 20 for my velocities. So I have a half 2 by 5 squared plus a half 3 by root 32 squared. It's going to give me 25 plus 1.532 is going to be 48. It's going to give 73 joules before, and then afterwards we're going to have a half 2 by the root 34 to be squared, which is just 34, plus a half to 3 by the root 20 to be squared. Put them in brackets. So we're going to get 1.5 times 20, which is 30. So that's 64 joules. So the loss 73 minus 64 is 9 joules.